For 10 years, we have taken care of your road travel so well that all you needed was a road. Now it's time to put you on the road to an amazing riding experience. As we at Cars on Rent believe, arriving in style is a statement in itself and an experience worth treasuring. Experience a special ride with high levels of comfort and convenience. Immerse yourself in an ambience which has never been seen before, because you deserve every bit of it. Enjoy riding in this beautiful, sleek dream machine, equipped with all modern facilities like a GPS system, car charger, and a credit card payment terminal. Get ready for an experience that is going to move you to a universe exclusively designed for you. We present to you Cars on Rent Limo. Cars on Rent Limo, an experience that is exclusively yours.